meet you.
Nice to meet you.
In a new toy booth.
What's the name of the company and which year was founded?
Our company is Wantai Plastic Toys Factory. We founded in 2003. Have the experience for over 13.
So it's really a lot of years. And you have experience also in foreigner market. In which market? What are your major markets?
Such as Europe, Russia, Saudi Arabia, and South Korea. Such many more countries.
Okay, and what are your main products?
Main products, we have two sections. For this one is the DIY cards and friction cards. And the another one is the doors. Another one is the doors. All is in the wood high quality.
Hey, about quality, it's important to ask you now, like, what is the certification that you have? Which kind of certification you have?
We have all export certificates, such as the EN 71, EN 2115, RoHS, EMC, and such more. Any export certificate that need we have. Also have the BSCI certificates.
Can we show what is the hot selling product?
Hot selling, such like this fire truck. Such like this. This is we can use this one to take apart the car. So like this, we can open it, and then because all the one use the ABS materials, it is very good quality. And we can also we can take this one, take apart, and then put it here.
Okay.
You can walk forward and backward. And when walking, here can lift and down. And also, you can shoot the water.
And you have the water inside.
Yeah. You can shoot the water. This is for the DIY card. For the doors, you can see like this one. This is the hair can change color. And the girls can make the dress to change the doors. You can see the color, the doors. You can see the hair. Now it's this color. When our hand is hot, you can change color.
Oh,
You can change. So when the children they are playing the hair, you can like this. And then when they say like this one, you will change color slowly. You can see the hair color is changing. Now it's different.
yes.
Different. Here is purple and here is pink.
And what is your new product?
Here, all this is our new. So this is the apple. This is dinosaur that have the
Oh, they also do.
Yeah. All this part is 2-in-1. Can as a battery card and also can take the part.
And what if people would like to contact you?